How's it going, everyone? So today we're going to talk about how to treat receding gum lines at home. So I got this question from a subscriber, so we're going to go over that right now, you guys. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. It really helps me out, helps my channel grow, and I appreciate the support. So let's get started. So what are some of the causes, some of the issues with receding gum lines before we start to tackle some of the issues, how to fix it? Some of the issues that you may get is bleeding after you're brushing or you're flossing, swollen gums, bad breath, pain at the gum line. So if you guys experience any of those, then you may have receding gum lines. I know me personally, I do get a little blood sometimes after flossing. My gums are a little bit swollen. I think of that as gingivitis. I've talked to my dentist already about that. They don't think it's receding gum lines, but it's always good to check. If you guys are noticing any of those issues that I just listed, talk to your dentist and let them know, and maybe they can have a look to see if your gum lines are receding. Okay, first tip and the number one reason why you get receding gum lines, that's smoking. So if you are a smoker, stop right now. You guys stop smoking. Your gum lines will be better. It has been proven by science that smoking is hands down the number one reason that you get receding gum lines. So if you stop smoking, your gum lines will start to go back to normal, you guys. So make sure you guys stop that. I got something in my tooth. Yeah, I do. Okay. Second tip, how to get rid of receding gum lines. The second tip, green tea. Drink green tea on the regular, you guys. Green tea has been shown to help your gum lines, and it will stop receding gum lines if you guys are getting them right now. Drink your green tea regularly. Again, this has been proven. Lots of people do this, and it does work. So try your green tea. I personally drink green tea every 3 or 4 days, you guys, just because I like the taste and because it's healthy. Very healthy for you guys. So I recommend giving it a shot. Third tip is going to be aloe vera products. That's right. So if you guys used to think that you can only get aloe vera gel, like aloe vera gel feels amazing if you get a sunburn. I'm pretty sure it's for rashes too, or burned, whatever. It's for everything. But you can actually get oral aloe vera, and this helps for your receding gum lines. You can also get toothpaste, mouthwash, and certain types of juices all in aloe vera, you guys. I didn't even know that. So, I mean, that's amazing. Like, that's so cool. I was a big fan of aloe vera gel because, again, sunburn, you put it on nice and cool. Oh my God. But yeah, look into some of those products, you guys. I didn't want to make a whole video on the aloe vera products. I just talked about general aloe vera products. Again, the toothpaste, the mouthwash, the juices, and even some oral pills that you can get as well. But you guys can do the research on that. Okay. Fourth tip, I think we're on our fourth tip, is going to be vitamin C. So if you guys have watched those old pirate movies, you guys see their awful fucking teeth. They're horrible. What do they recommend? What do they always recommend for pirates? I think we even learned this in school. Vitamin C, you guys. Vitamin C stops gum swelling, bleeding, and receding gum lines. If you are not getting your vitamin C in during the day, shame on you. Start doing it now. Here's the thing though, do not start taking vitamin C supplements. People are going to ask me why. Why shouldn't I take vitamin C supplements? You can get all your vitamin C in the day by having 1 glass of orange juice. That's it, 1 glass of orange juice. Trust me, the glass of orange juice is going to be way, way, way cheaper than buying the vitamin C supplements. Supplements, never take them unless you are actually deficient in a supplement that you cannot get by eating a certain type of food. That's the point of supplements. So, vitamin C, orange juice, phenomenal for vitamin C. Some people are going to be like, well, what are some other vitamin C stuff? Spinach, extremely high in vitamin C. Other stuff, strawberries, very, very high, you guys. So those are some foods right there. Give all those a shot. Very good for you. I think even grapefruit, blueberries, all those are very high in vitamin C, you guys. Okay, next tip. You need to follow proper oral hygiene. That's right. If you are not brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing at night, I don't recommend flossing in the morning. As long as you floss at night, you're good. But you got to be brushing your teeth morning and at night. Some people even go a little bit farther, and they go in the afternoon as well. But I recommend twice a day. When you're brushing, though, do not brush super aggressively. Now, what people do is Some people, what they do, they brush too light. You don't want to do that. You want to brush just the perfect amount. If you brush super hard, you're actually damage your gum line, believe it or not. So make sure you're not brushing super aggressively. I have seen people do that. They brush, I'm like, what the hell are you doing? They're like, I gotta get all the stuff off my teeth. I'm like, dude, not super aggressive. You'll get receding gum line, trust me. Made a video on it. Okay, use mouthwash. That's right. When I told my dentist that I had a little bit of swollen gums, they recommended that it might be gingivitis, so they told me to take a mouthwash. I tried this mouthwash. The swelling of my gums have never come back. So, like, people are going to be wondering what kind of mouthwash. Oral-B, stuff like that. All the name brands, you guys. All the mouthwash is good. There's not one mouthwash that's going to be better than the other. They're all just, they're mouthwash. It's as simple as that. Find one that works. If one doesn't, then try a different one. Keep mixing up until you find one that you do like. Simple as that. But use your mouthwash. It really does help, believe it or not. Okay, hydration. Again, a back on the water kick. I always recommend hydration in most of my videos, actually. Now, hydration will, not only does it lead to good skin, proper energy levels, not feeling depressed during the day, keeping all your food transporting to all your blood cells, everything like that. On top of that, it makes sure that your gum lines, your teeth are good. So if you're dehydrating yourself, you're not drinking enough water, it will lead to bad gum lines, you guys. Trust me on this. Next one, avoid sugary foods and pop. Pop is hands down the worst thing for your teeth. Now, if no one believes me on this, I wouldn't say all of us, but some of us know that one guy, that one fucker in the group, and he'll drink 4 or 5 or 6 cans of Cokes a day, and his teeth are awful. His gum lines, horrible, and his teeth are yellow. That is what Coke does to you. What you guys probably don't know about Pepsi, Coke, what's one use of it, is that police officers will actually use it on the highways to get rid of blood off of the highway. That is right, because it's that good at getting rid of blood on the highway. So if it's good at getting rid of shit, what do you think it's doing to your insides? What do you think it's doing to your teeth? Another cool thing, they put a penny and they put it in a can of Coke. And that penny, after I think 3 or 4 days, was completely vanished or completely dissolved or destroyed inside of the fucking can of Pepsi. So do not drink pop, you guys. Yeah, you can have it once in a while as a treat, a social event. Sure, you want a can of pop, that's fine. But if you have an addiction, you're drinking 2, 3, 4 pops a day, get off that stuff. It's going to screw with your gums. Trust me on this. End of video. Hopefully I did help the subscriber out that asked the question. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. If you guys are interested in online personal training from me, send me an email. My email is in the description box. You guys can send me a quick email. Thanks, guys.